So this is part 2 to cleaning my room for spring or spring cleaning. And I will admit I just cleaned my desk before I started recording this, just so I don't need to do my desk at the end. And also I've been working Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. So throughout the week when I am working, my room just becomes chaotic again. So we're technically doing another proper deep clean, but I am mainly doing that side, and I'm also going to be changing my bedding. But let's get to spring cleaning part 2. Now that the surrounding of my room is clean, my desk is clean and my floor is clean pretty much, I now need to do the inside of my room. But I want to talk about something, and I feel like on social media, whether that's on TikTok, YouTube, or don't really speak about my personal life at all on Instagram. I really just post. I don't really talk on Instagram story. It's just not a thing I naturally go for. I normally, if I want to talk to you guys, it's normally on the YouTube community tab or on TikTok. If I do post on Instagram stories, it's normally to vote what video you want or stuff like that. But I don't really talk about how I feel. And I know lately on social media I've just been saying most of the time that sorry I haven't posted that often. It's work. I've been busy with work. And I know how annoying that can get if a content creator or influencer kept on telling you, sorry I haven't posted, it's just busy every week. But to sum it up, and this is a way I explained it to one of my friends, is throughout the week, by Monday, I'm like 100%, I've slept, I've recovered if I have a couple of days off, done all that. By Friday or my next day off, I feel like I'm like about 15 or 10. Now, I don't feel tired. Like, I don't feel like I need to go to sleep. But the thing is, and I don't know if it's just because I've got cerebral palsy. It probably does play a part in it. But my first day off after having a couple of days at work, even if I sleep for many hours, or even if I get like a long night of sleep without an alarm, pretty much I can wake up whenever I want. Even though I get that and I'm not tired, my body is tired. That might make sense to some people, but it might not to some. And you're lucky if it doesn't. But I don't know another way to explain it. It's just, I don't feel tired, but my muscles feel tired, my body feels tired. But also, most of the time I only have 1 or 2 days off. So I'm like, I need to be productive, I need to do something. I want to post on social media because I want to, like, this is my dream. And I know how much I say that all the time. But that's my mindset right now. It's like, I have work that feels like work, and then I have this that isn't work, but I know if it became work it won't feel like work, and that's what I want. It's why I try and push out all the content. And I have so many ideas, it's just I haven't got enough time to make them all, because if I'm not working I'm tired, and even if that doesn't mean I want to go to sleep, I'm tired. It might just mean I'm physically tired. So this is just a little reminder for everyone who does watch YouTube, TikTok or Instagram, everyone you watch is still human beings. Even myself included, I sometimes do this and think, oh my god, why can't Alfie Days or Zoe Sugg just upload? And don't get me wrong, you guys think of that too. Even though you partly forget that they probably are tired as well, even if it's not sleepy tired. And that is why there's not that much content on every single platform. So I try and get everyone who follows my other platform to follow this one, because I'm my most personal self, to be honest. And I've had people that know me at my work, and even like they know part of me, and they even say like, I know you more. So that shows how personal YouTube can be. Even though right now I am just sitting here in my room, technically just talking to myself, it does feel like therapy sometimes. So I'm gonna go and charge my phone for a bit, because if I don't do that, I won't be able to continue this vlog. But then I will be back. I'm gonna watch a bit of YouTube myself, and then I'll be back with you. Okay, I've now charged my phone up to 42%, so we should have enough percentage for me to tidy the rest of my room. I'm going to start with the clothes, because we got a clothes charity bag today and it's meant to go out on Monday, but I've also got black poly bags as well. So I've got a couple of things I know I want to chuck already in my wardrobe, so I'm going to start with my wardrobe, and we're just going to try and push through, because I really want to get my room done, and I'm going to try and not make it messy this week. So let's do this. This is what, to empty that, but this is what this side of my wardrobe looks like right now. I've not emptied these ones because this is a new jacket. I'm not going to bin this because this is my favourite jacket. This is a new dress, and it's a hoodie. You're not going to bin a hoodie. Hoodies are amazing. And this is a new jacket as well. Only £16, and I've got it in a size 14 in Primark. It's for my Harry Styles concert. And I've been looking for a brown blazer for ages. But yeah. So that is the only stuff in my wardrobe. I'm going to sort my shoes out now. So let me put you on the floor. By the way, this is the pile of clothes that were in my wardrobe. I probably won't cut it all down, but I definitely need to sort it out. So that's probably the longest time lapse I've ever done. I didn't expect it to take me that long. But that's my wardrobe done. My clothes done at least. The only thing is my drawer, and I feel like I would only just organise it. So I'm going to have a bath now, and I'm going to do a bath bomb. And then tomorrow or on Sunday, I'm going to continue this vlog and change my bed in and do the rest of my clothes. But the surrounding of my room is clean. Well, it was clean before, but like it's tidied and clean because I did wipe the table, the desks, and my wardrobe is done. So I did do something, but I'm getting tired and I really want to just chill out. So let's go take a bath and I will continue this vlog whenever I can over the weekend. By the way, this is all the clothes I am getting rid of or giving to like my family. When I say I'm getting rid of them, I'm putting them in a charity bag or I'm putting them in a charity box. So I'm going to put a Lush bath bomb in today, and the one I'm putting in is this one. So let's see what colour it goes. I'm assuming by that bit it's not going to go blue. It's got a bit of pink everywhere. So let's see. We'll come back when it's proper fizzed. It took a while, but it's finally coming out with the pink stuff. And then this is the rest of the water. It is day 2 of part 2 of spring cleaning, and today is going to be the last day. It is coming up to, well, 3:15 right now, but coming up to 3:30 pretty much. And I'm going to sort the rest of my clothes in my drawers, and then we're going to change the bed, and then I'm going to wipe down the rest of my room. And that will be the spring cleaning done, and we will see how long it lasts for. But I'm really hoping I can keep this clean. It's still not clean, like the floor's got my clothes on that I need to put in this bag, but it's getting there. So let's continue. I've now done my clothes and I've sorted them out. I haven't chucked that much. I actually chucked more in my wardrobe than I did out of my drawers. But I'm gonna now put that in a separate bag and then we're gonna start on the bed.